Welcome to CodecraftCafe. In today's video, we're diving into mastering SEO, tips and tricks for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these strategies will help you stay ahead of the curve and boost your website's ranking. Let's get started. From the moment we wake up to the time our heads hit the pillow, we're interacting with technology. For businesses, this digital landscape presents an incredible opportunity. It's no longer enough to have a brick and mortar store. You need a digital storefront, a website that acts as your virtual representation. But here's the catch. Simply having a website isn't enough. SEO is like putting a giant, flashing neon sign above your shop, making sure everyone knows you're there and ready for business. SEO is the art and science of making your website more visible in search engine results pages, or SERPs. When someone types a query into Google or any other search engine, SEO helps ensure your website appears at the top of those results. Think about your own online behavior for a moment. When you search for something online, how often do you venture past the first page of results? It's all about driving organic traffic, the kind of traffic that comes from people actively searching for what you offer, not from paid advertisements. Stay tuned. The digital world is in constant motion, a dynamic landscape that's constantly evolving. Search engines like Google are continuously refining their algorithms, becoming more sophisticated in how they understand and rank websites. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to understand the forces shaping SEO in 2024 and beyond. Search engines are smarter now, prioritizing websites that offer genuine value to users. This evolution of search engine algorithms has led to a more holistic approach to SEO, one that emphasizes user intent and experience. By aligning your SEO strategy with user intent, you can create content that resonates, engages, and ultimately converts visitors into loyal customers. At the heart of this evolving SEO landscape lies the transformative power of artificial intelligence, or AI. Search engines are increasingly relying on AI-driven algorithms to understand and interpret search queries, analyze website content, and determine search rankings. One of the most significant ways AI is impacting SEO is through the rise of voice search. With the proliferation of smart speakers, virtual assistants, and voice-activated devices, more and more people are using their voices to search for information online. To optimize for voice search, you need to focus on creating content that sounds natural and conversational, incorporating long-tail keywords and phrases that people use in everyday conversation. This shift towards voice search optimization requires a deeper understanding of user intent and a more nuanced approach to keyword research and content creation. Crafting content that resonates. The power of high-quality content. In the realm of SEO, content reigns supreme. To truly excel in SEO, you need to craft high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, providing genuine value and addressing their needs. Think of your content as a conversation starter. When people find your content valuable, they're more likely to spend time on your site, share it with others, and return for more. By addressing these needs in a clear, concise, and engaging way, you can create content that truly resonates and positions you as a trusted resource in your industry. speaking the language of search, keyword research, and optimization. To make your website visible to the right audience, you need to speak their language. And that language is keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines when looking for information, products, or services. Effective keyword research involves identifying the terms your target audience is using and incorporating them strategically into your website's content. Instead, focus on using keywords naturally and organically within your content, ensuring it flows well and reads naturally. By aligning your content with user intent, you can attract the right audience and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Guiding the search engine, gaze meta tags and website structure. In the digital world, meta tags serve as your website's elevator pitch, providing a brief overview of your content to search engines. Meta tags are snippets of HTML code that provide information about a web page to search engines and website crawlers. The most important meta tags are the title tag and the meta description. Crafting compelling and informative meta tags is crucial for attracting clicks and improving your website's click-through rate or CTR. By optimizing your meta tags, you can effectively guide the search engine gaze and attract the right audience to your content. In today's fast-paced digital world, every second counts. A slow-loading website can frustrate users, leading to higher bounce rates and lower engagement. This directly impacts your search engine rankings as Google and other search engines prioritize fast websites. Enhancing your site speed is an essential technical SEO trick that can significantly boost your SEO performance. To start, consider image optimization. Large, uncompressed images can drastically slow down your site. Use tools like Tiny PNG or Imager Optim to compress your images without sacrificing quality. Additionally, consider using modern image formats like WebP, which offer better compression rates than traditional formats like JPEG or PNG. An XML sitemap is a roadmap for search engines, guiding them through the structure of your website and ensuring all your pages are indexed. This is especially important for larger websites with complex navigation. Creating and submitting an XML sitemap is a straightforward yet powerful technical SEO trick. To create an XML sitemap, you can use various tools and plugins. If you're using WordPress, plugins like Yoast SEO or Google XML sitemaps can generate a sitemap for you. Once generated, your sitemap should be uploaded to your website's root directory. Schema markup, also known as structured data, is a powerful tool that enhances how your content appears in search engine results. By adding schema markup to your HTML, you help search engines understand the context of your content, which can lead to rich snippets, enhanced listings that include additional information like star ratings, event details, or product prices. To implement schema markup, use Google's Structured Data Markup Helper or plugins like Schema Pro for WordPress. Ensuring that your site uses HTTPS is another critical technical SEO trick. HTTPS encrypts data between your website and your users, providing a secure browsing experience. Google has emphasized the importance of site security by making HTTPS a ranking factor. Building authority through backlinks. The power of external validation. Imagine you're writing a book. and suddenly renowned authors in your genre start recommending it. In the world of SEO, backlinks function as those coveted endorsements. They're like votes of confidence from other websites, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. A backlink is simply a link from another website to yours. When a reputable website links to your content, it's like they're vouching for your expertise and relevance. The more high quality backlinks you have, the higher your website is likely to rank in search results. Social signals, amplifying your reach and engagement. Social media has become an indispensable part of our lives, a platform for connecting, sharing, and consuming information. It's also become a powerful tool for SEO, influencing how search engines perceive and rank websites. Social signals, the collective shares, likes, comments, and other interactions your content receives on social media, can significantly impact your website's visibility. When your content is shared and engaged with on social media, it sends positive signals to search engines, indicating that people find it valuable and worth sharing. The key is to create shareable content that resonates with your target audience, encouraging them to like, comment, and share it with their own networks. Section 3. Influencers tapping into established audiences. In the digital age, influencers have emerged as powerful voices, shaping opinions and influencing purchasing decisions. They've built loyal audiences who trust their recommendations and insights. Partnering with influencers in your niche can be a highly effective off-page SEO strategy, allowing you to tap into their established audiences and boost your brand's visibility. Influencer marketing goes beyond simply getting your brand mentioned or your product reviewed. It's about building authentic relationships with influencers who genuinely align with your brand values and target audience. When an influencer recommends your product or service to their followers, it's seen as a trusted recommendation, carrying far more weight than a traditional advertisement. The key to successful influencer marketing is to find the right influencers for your brand. Look for influencers whose audience aligns with your target market and whose content resonates with your brand values. Reach out to them with a genuine pitch outlining the value proposition for both parties. Collaborate on creative campaigns that feel authentic and engaging, providing value to their audience while promoting your brand. Claiming your digital turf. Google My Business. For businesses with a physical presence, local SEO is a necessity. Imagine searching for a coffee shop near me. The results aren't random. Google curates them, prioritizing strong local SEO. At the heart of this is Google My Business, GMB, your digital storefront. It's your online business card with essential information. Optimizing your GMB listing is crucial for local search results. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Use relevant keywords and regularly upload fresh photos. A well-optimized GMB listing guides local customers to your business. Local SEO bridges the gap between online and offline, connecting your digital presence with your physical location. Ensure your website appears at the top of search results, guiding customers to your doorstep. This involves optimizing your GMB listing and incorporating local keywords. Use keywords that include your city, state, or region. Build local citations by listing your business on directories like Yelp and TripAdvisor. Ensure your NAP information is consistent across all platforms. Customer reviews play a crucial role in local SEO. Encourage positive reviews and respond to feedback to build trust. The SEO journey, a marathon, not a sprint. Mastering SEO in 2024 and beyond. Grasp the core principles and evolving tactics of SEO. SEO is a continuous journey of optimization and adaptation. Stay ahead by keeping up with trends and updates. Patience and persistence are key in your SEO journey. Building a strong online presence takes time. Track progress and adjust strategies as needed. Embrace SEO as an ongoing investment. Seek professional guidance if needed. Our team at CodecraftCafe can help. Visit CodecraftCafe.b2sites.com for more. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Hit the notification bell for updates. See you in the next video.